Welcome back, guys. I'm getting a sound question 2, paper 2, 5054. Let's start. Question 2. Figure 4.1 shows a wave on a rope, and figure 4.2 shows a wave on a spring. Both waves are moving in the direction shown by the arrow. State the name of each of the two types of waves shown. अच्छा मैंने आपको क्या बताया two types of waves. One is longitudinal and one is transverse. Transverse wave की जो vibration of the particles है, those are, as you can see, perpendicular to the energy transfer, while on the other hand, the vibration of the particle in a longitudinal wave, which is in this case figure 4.2, is going to be parallel to the direction of energy transfer. ठीक है ना? So the first one will be 4.1, which is transverse, and the second one will be longitudinal. ठीक है ना? आगे चलते हैं. On figure 4.1, draw a wave which has a smaller frequency than the wave shown. मैंने एक diagram ढूंढा है which is showing कि जो high frequency wave and it is covering less time, while on the other hand low frequency wave is covering more time. And this can be proven by the formula F is equals to 1 divided by T. अगर हम T को ज्यादा करेंगे तो F will decrease, while on the other hand अगर हम T को कम करेंगे तो F will increase. ठीक है ना? So that is the answer. तो wave drawn with a larger wavelength. ठीक है ना? अच्छा जी. Describe the movement of point X on the in figure 4.2. अच्छा, point X will move left and right to and from vibrations parallel to the arrow, as I just told you. मैंने आपको बताया था कि the wave is longitudinal, therefore the vibration will be parallel. अच्छा जी, आगे चलते हैं. Table 4.1 shows some sentences that the student writes about the waves. His teacher places a ring around his mistakes. Write a suitable correction for each mistake in table 4.1. One has been done for you. अच्छा जी. Sound with a higher pitch has a larger amplitude. No. Frequency ज्यादा होती है. ठीक है ना? Frequency ज्यादा होती है. और उसके बाद X-rays are used to prenatal scan. No. Ultrasound is used for prenatal scanning. In electromagnetic spectrum, microwave have the highest frequency. Again, no gamma rays have the highest frequency as per the डायग्राम मैंने जो आपको दिखाया हुआ है. ठीक है ना? आपको मैंने डायग्राम दिखाया हुआ है इन द चैप्टर ऑफ वेव्स, और अगर आप उसको सही तरह से याद कर लोगे ना तो आई थिंक दैट विल कवर मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स about waves. I mean electromagnetic spectrum, yes. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz.